Okay, this is 12395 145th lane in Largo, and I'm cameraing now from the clean out. All the lines were just jet cleaned, so you can see how the line looks a lot more round now. Still a little rough, but that's the nature of cast iron. But you can see that all the debris that we had in here before when we first cambered it is gone. Looks a heck of a lot better. And I pulled out a very, very large pile of scale. Again, see how nice and pretty and round that is for being cast iron. That's the best we're going to get it to look, and that's all thanks to the jet cleaning. So this is the 4-inch clean out, and this is a 4-inch clean out cap. And I'm a pretty big guy. I'm 6'2", probably 235 pounds, maybe a little heavier with the holidays. But for reference, size of reference, this is our pile of scale that we pulled out of the line. And there's our 4-inch clean out cap. And here's our pile of scale. And I mean, this would be several of my handfuls. You can just see how many years of debris of scale we have that have built up inside of this line. So it's a whole lot of scale that's been removed from there, which should definitely help the line to flow a whole lot better. Alright, so now I'm back up on the roof at the base of the stack. This is where the original video before the jet cleaning was done started, so you can get an apples to apples comparison of what the pipe looks like. So we got a 45, looks like another 45, just like on the original video. Now you can see what the pipe's supposed to look like. We got another 45. This looks a whole lot better since we pulled all that scale out. So this is the back right hand stack. If you're standing on the street looking at the house, same place we ran the camera from to begin with. So before, you remember all the piles and piles and piles of cast iron scale we had in here that's just slowing down all the toilet paper and all the debris. So this is the combo, and then this is where I've already cambered up this way, but just to give you the exact same look as we did before, we're going to run all the way to the clean out, so you can see how much better the line looks now than it did prior to the jet cleaning being completed. That's where the other bathroom comes in, and it doesn't back up because it's so close to the clean out. So we're right at the clean out again. That's where the first video concluded. I'm just going to go ahead and record all the way back so you can see how clean the pipes are, so you know that you got your money's worth for the jetting. So by far, 100% night and day difference. If there are any more issues, then what type of toilet paper is being used needs to be addressed. I always suggest Scott's toilet paper for cast iron lines, just because it doesn't take nearly as long to break down as some of the other brands that are on the market. If you have any questions, give me a call.